Now we will do mixed mooring. So what is mixed mooring? It means different types of mooring ropes. So is it allowed or not? It, it is allowed on the ship, but for example, mixed mooring could be some wire ropes and some synthetic ropes, mooring ropes. It is allowed, but you cannot give it to the same point. You cannot give different types of ropes to the same point because they have different elasticity. If, for example, if you give one wire rope as a head rope and one synthetic rope, so in case both become tight, let's say let's say ship is rising up due to high tide or due to discharging cargo, and one is a wire rope, one is synthetic. So which one will break first? As you know, wire ropes has less elasticity, very little. So wire rope will take more of the weight and then more chances of breaking of the wire rope. So mixed mooring, you cannot give to the same point. But you can do one thing, you can give all synthetic ropes here, and for springs you can give different type, for example wire. This is okay, both will have the same elasticity, and here also both will have the same elasticity. So this is allowed. We'll do one more topic now, dragging of anchor. Now dragging of anchor, what does it mean? It means the position of anchor. You can say the GPS position of the anchor is changing. As I said, ship always faces the current, and if she is anchored and brought up, and this is the GPS position of the anchor, if this starts changing, let us say due to some reason, we will discuss the reason now. One of them is strong current, or you can say current more than 3 knots. In that case, anchor can drag. So it will start dragging in this direction. Ship will also start moving in this direction. So what are the reasons of anchor dragging? One of them is current more than 3 knots, wind, wind speed more than force 8. Some companies recommend force 6. Third is poor holding ground. The best holding ground is mud and sand. Second best is small shingles, pebbles, and third is rock. In rock, you should not anchor because it will not hold. Now, if current is more than 3, anchor will not hold. So, you have to heave up anchor and drift. Same for wind speed. It will not hold. You have to heave up and drift. But if it is due to poor holding ground, so you can do one thing, keep main engine standby, use engine if required to ease the strain on the cable. It should be medium stay or long stay. Medium stay or short stay. It should not be long stay. This is long stay. And then you can pay out more shackles. Pay out more cable. This might hold. If still it does not hold, then you have to heave up and drift.